Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, dear children, I welcome you all again in your computer class. I hope, dear children, you all have completed chapter 1 book exercise in book itself and you have understood the lesson. Now, dear children, today we will start with chapter 2, that is parts of a computer. Yes, dear children, we have studied computer and electronic machine in our previous classes. Today we'll learn how computer works with its different parts. For example, dear children, to make you understand what are the parts, I just took this bottle. Can you see this bottle? Yes. So this bottle has a lower body and a upper body. How can we differentiate with that? So I am just showing you that this is a cap of the bottle. We can just open it. This is the cap of the bottle and it is attached with the rope to carry it. So we can consider like the cap and rope and the lower body of the bottle is making a complete bottle. Using that we can drink the water. Isn't it, dear children? Similarly, dear children, everywhere in our day-to-day life also we observe different parts, different things in our surrounding. I shown you this picture, dear children, previously. Do you know this picture? Yes. What it is? It is a computer system. It is an electronic machine. It makes our work easier and fast. We can work fast with it. Can you see, dear children? This computer screen which I am showing you right now has 4 things. This is this one and this one. They all are only making computer system. Alone they cannot work. Similarly, dear children, do you know that our body also has many parts like head, eyes, nose, tongue, knee, toe, leg, fingers, mouth and ears. So, dear children, every body part performs different function. Do you know, children, what is the use of hands? What can we do with the hands? So, yes, we do all the work using hands. We use hands to write. We use hands to hold the things. We use hands to keep the things from one place to the another. Everywhere we use hands when we have to lift the thing, when we have to carry the thing. Similarly, dear children, do you know why is the brain an important part of our body? Because we think using the brain. Our body works using the brain. Brain gives signals to the different parts of the body that what should they perform, how should they perform. Similarly, dear children, do you know what is the use of stomach? Stomach stores the food for a while, then it breaks the food into small parts and sends for the process so that we get energy to work. So, dear children, here we have learned different body parts and their uses or how they are functioning in our body. Similarly, dear children, do you know plant also has parts like flower, leaves, stem and roots. What are the uses of them? So, leaves makes food for the whole plant. Similarly, roots helps to transport water and minerals from the soil to the plant. All the parts of a plant together make its function as a whole, and with the proper functioning only plant can produce a flower and it can grow again and again. Can you see this colorful car? Yes. Do you know, children, this car also has many parts, and these all parts only helps car to function well. So here we go. How car parts are working? So the steering wheel turns the car, 4 wheels help move the car, and an engine converts fuel into power for the car to run. So dear children, we have learned that all the different parts of a machine helps them to perform better functioning, and all the parts together helps a machine to function well. So I hope, dear children, you have learned that how different machine works with the different parts, and how different parts helps a machine to work smoothly and to work with the proper functioning. Likewise, dear children, our body has different parts, a car has different parts, a bottle has different parts. Do you know, a computer also has many parts. What are they? It has monitor, it has CPU, this is printer, these are speakers, this is mouse, and this is keyboard. So these all body parts makes computer function well. These are known as computer parts. So our topic is parts of a computer. We are going to learn each and every part of a computer. Computer has different parts like monitor, CPU, keyboard. So dear children, what we have learnt in the today's class, that computer has many parts. The basic parts of a computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speaker, and printer. These all parts makes computer function well. So dear children, we'll continue these all parts in our next class. Till that time, take care of yourself, have healthy diet, and read the lesson page number 13 at home. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.